How many times have you watched a YouTube video where you learn a great insight, only for you to completely forget what and where it was only moments later? You need to go back and rewatch the entire video to try and find it. YouTube is a treasure trove of inspiration and information, but the hard part is remembering and organizing everything that you've learned into a format that's easy to access and easy to apply to your life and work. What if you could automatically download the transcript from multiple videos so that you can search, save, and use AI to summarize their key takeaways? No more forgetting and wasting time rewatching old videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Desktop or your favorite AI tool to fetch YouTube transcripts and summarize tons of videos at scale without any manual labor or even writing a line of code. You might be thinking to yourself that you could just directly ask AI to watch and summarize YouTube videos for you by pasting in the URL. At this time, however, Claude Desktop's web search tools are only able to fetch web pages, not watch videos for you directly. But we can give Claude access to video transcripts by using SerpApi's YouTube Video Transcript API. Essentially, the Video Transcript API from SerpApi is a tool that takes any video and automatically scrapes the transcript from YouTube for you. They take care of the scraping part, so you don't need to do any manual copying or pasting, HTML parsing, solving CAPTCHAs, etc. In fact, let me show you the result that I get after installing and enabling SerpApi's Claude Desktop Connector. The Desktop Connector is what's going to allow us to use the Video Transcript API from SerpApi. When you enable the connector, Claude sees the Transcript API endpoint, automatically makes the API call on your behalf, and summarizes the video for you. Now, instead of having to take notes yourself while watching the video, you can outsource the note-taking to AI. This is the difference between Claude answering from only the knowledge that it's been trained on versus Claude being able to get access to real-time search results to give you a more grounded and accurate response. By the way, if you're new to connectors and skills, just know that connectors give Claude the ability to access and interact with other third-party tools and applications such as Gmail, Slack, and SerpApi. For developers and builders who just want the raw JSON data rather than a summary from Claude, you can also make the API call to SerpApi programmatically or connect your AI client or application to the SerpApi MCP server. Before you connect Claude with SerpApi, make sure you sign up for a free account on SerpApi.com where you're going to receive 250 free search credits. In order to add this connector, you're just going to open up Claude Desktop and you're going to click on Customize, Connectors, and Add Custom Connector. And we just need to enter a name for the custom connector. This is just a label. You can enter anything you want, but for the sake of simplicity, we'll just call it SerpApi. And we just need to paste in the remote MCP server URL. So we just need to go to our dashboard, copy the API key, and paste it into Claude. And click Add. By the way, I will paste the MCP server URL in the description below. And when you open up a new chat with Claude, make sure that the SerpApi connector here is toggled on. I'm a big fan of Leila Hormozi, so I think I'm going to use SerpApi's YouTube Transcript API to summarize and give me the key takeaways for this video, the psychology of making more money. So I'm going to take the URL and paste it into my chat with Claude. I'm going to say, using SerpApi's YouTube Video Transcript API, watch this video and give me some key practical takeaways. Claude immediately knows to pull up SerpApi and use that tool. So you can see here that Claude, with the help of the SerpApi connector, is able to summarize and organize the key takeaways from educational YouTube videos without you having to manually take notes. You can get Claude to do the note-taking and organization so that you can actually focus on watching the video. And if there's ever anything you need to go back to, the notes are already here for you. By the way, this SerpApi connector is obviously not limited to just scraping YouTube video transcripts. SerpApi also has a ton of other scrapers available for major search engines such as Google, Bing, Amazon, Walmart, DuckDuckGo, you name it. If you want to learn more about SerpApi's MCP connector, check out a recent video that I did, which I'm going to link somewhere up here. Let's head over to the online playground so that I can show you the raw data that gets returned from the Video Transcript API. You can find our online playground by going through the documentation page and clicking on Playground, but I'll also paste a link to this online playground in the description below. Just make sure that you're using the right engine by double checking the URL and ensure that the engine is set to YouTube Video Transcript because we are using SerpApi's YouTube Video Transcript API. Now, to get the transcript, all we need to do is paste in the video ID in this input box. And to get that ID, we just have to go to the URL, and it's typically the V parameter. So we just copy and paste this one and put it in here and click search. By the way, I forgot to mention that if the transcript's available in multiple languages, you can also set the language here. Inside the JSON response, you're going to find metadata about your request, such as, the parameters that you entered for this API request. But if you scroll down to the transcript array, that is where the transcript text is stored into. So you can see here that the snippets here correspond to what you would see on YouTube's own UI. So just like what you would see on YouTube's transcript module, you get both the timestamps as well as the text snippet. So essentially what's happening when you're connecting SerpApi to Claude is that Claude is taking the response from SerpApi and it's stringing together all these text snippets and forming a transcript. Then it's summarizing it and taking out the key concepts. This saves you a lot of time because now you don't have to go onto YouTube's platform, copy and paste the transcript text and put it into Claude. Claude will automatically do that for you with the SerpApi connector. All you need to do is provide it with a YouTube video URL and tell Claude to use the SerpApi connector. Of course, you're not limited to only using this YouTube Video Transcript API for personal use. Imagine building an app that lets users download video transcripts, search through videos, or a tool that turns educational videos into simple instructions without the filler. SerpApi's YouTube Video Transcript API unlocks a ton of capabilities for your workflow, AI agent, or end users. SerpApi makes pulling data from the web insanely easy, and you no longer have to waste time dealing with Google's changing layouts, getting IP blocked, or solving CAPTCHAs. If you have any questions at all, leave me a comment below or reach out to us at contact@serpapi.com. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.